Operations management is a critical area of business that focuses on efficiently managing the processes that produce and distribute goods and services. Its importance lies in optimizing resources, improving efficiency, and ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction. Let's explore several real-world examples of operations management in action across different industries. Example 1. Manufacturing, Toyota's Lean Production System. Toyota is renowned for its lean manufacturing system, which emphasizes waste reduction and efficiency. This approach employs just-in-time (JIT) inventory management, meaning that materials are ordered only as needed for production. This minimizes inventory costs and waste in the production process. By continuously assessing and improving its processes, Toyota has set a benchmark for manufacturing operations worldwide. Example 2. Retail, Amazon's supply chain. Optimization. Amazon has revolutionized operations management through its highly efficient supply chain and logistics network. Its strategically located warehouses minimize shipping times, while advanced algorithms predict customer demand, facilitating effective inventory management and faster delivery times. This data-driven approach allows Amazon to maintain its competitive edge by ensuring that customers receive their orders swiftly and accurately. Example 3. Service industry, McDonald's. Speed and consistency. McDonald's applies operational efficiency through the standardization of processes. Every location follows strict procedures for food preparation, ensuring speed, consistency, and quality. This focus on operational excellence enables McDonald's to provide fast service across thousands of locations globally, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Example 4. Technology, Apple's product lifecycle management. Apple optimizes its supply chain and production processes to ensure high-quality products, such as iPhones, are delivered efficiently. The company carefully manages product life cycles, including the timing of product launches and the end-of-life process for older models. This careful coordination allows for smooth transitions and maintains Apple's reputation for quality and innovation. Example 5. Healthcare, Cleveland Clinic's patient flow management. Cleveland Clinic uses operations management to enhance patient care through strategic data use and workflow processes. By optimizing patient flow and reducing wait times, they improve the efficiency of healthcare services while maintaining high-quality care. This focus on operations management leads to better patient experiences and outcomes. Example 6. Airlines. Southwest Airlines' turnaround efficiency. Southwest Airlines is known for its operational efficiency, particularly in minimizing airplane turnaround times. By optimizing boarding procedures, refueling, and cleaning processes, Southwest can have its planes in the air more frequently, increasing profitability. This focus on efficiency allows the airline to maintain a competitive edge in the industry. These examples illustrate the critical role that operations management plays in various industries, demonstrating principles such as efficiency, resource management, process optimization, and the strategic use of data. In conclusion, each organization leverages these principles to enhance their operational performance, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. As businesses continue to evolve, effective operations management will remain a cornerstone for achieving strategic goals and maintaining competitiveness in the marketplace. Understanding these strategies can provide valuable insights for businesses seeking to improve their operations and better serve their customers.